Hello everyone. In today's tutorial video, we would be seeing how you can add a player to your tournament one by one. In order to add a player, you have to go to your My Tournaments section. Here we go to add player. Add player is basically the same concept where we have been adding players via bulk upload, copy players, or a self-enrollment via links. So I click on add players. Here I have the second option of single player upload. Okay, so it is basically where you can add one player one by one and with their full details as per your requirement. So I go to single player. I have an option to add his image, name, pool to which I want to add that player, his role, and his mobile number. Note that the mobile number is only for your reference, and basically it won't be something which is a required field. If you add that, it would be helpful for the team owners to contact them in case of future discussions or anything if required. So, and that PDFs and all which comes to you at the time of ending of the tournament or at the time of starting of auction would also include those numbers. So basically, if you add the mobile number, it is a very good thing because that will help team owners to contact the players as well. If you don't add them, that's completely okay and up to you. Now I go to upload photo where I will upload the photo of the player. Since we are only going to do a dummy upload of player, this is not a real tournament, I will just upload a common photo of the player. So this is my player. I will name him something like, let's say, Virat Sharma. I will select his pool as star player or rookie. These are the two pools which we have created in our earlier ways for this tournament. Role would be basically player. So in most of the tournaments, the roles would always be A as player. Mobile number, since it is an optional field, I am skipping it. You can add it if you want. If you don't want, you can just skip that. I will now click create player, and the player is added to my tournament, and it's already approved. I will can add as many players as I like by doing the same process continuously, repeatedly. When I click on single player again, I will get the same option. I add a photo, I add the player name, I add the pool, role, and mobile number, and create player. One by one, all the players could be uploaded in this way. Let's assume that in case if there is something wrong which has been done by you while adding the player, you can just go here, his change pool, assign him as icon player, delete or edit his profile. Edit profile will allow to edit his name and the photo. So hope this has made things clear for how to add players one by one in your tournament. If you like the video, if you have any suggestions for the video, please add it in your comment section and share your views to your friends, colleagues, and fanatics, which can help our channel and our platform grow. Hope you like the video. Please do share it and like it. I am just requesting it again. Thank you.